Hi scientists! So good to see you guys again. You guys have been learning so much about being a scientist. You guys know that one of the things scientists do is make observations and record their data. Data is a fancy way of saying information, the things they find out, the things they notice. Well, today you are going to be using this worksheet. It's worksheet C, the letter C on the bottom. It says taking a look at a leaf. So you guys are going to go outside and find a leaf. And then you're going to make some observations. What are you noticing about it? And you're going to record that information by drawing pictures and writing, if you can, on this worksheet. So, of course, the first thing you're going to do is write your name right there on the top. And then it says, circle the size of your leaf. Is it small, medium, or large? Well, here's my leaf that I decided to use. Now, I would say it's medium. You want to know why I consider this medium? Because I also found these other leaves, but I don't think they're as pretty, so I'm not going to use them. So look at the two. This one is much bigger than this one, so I would say this one is large. And then I also found this one. Oops, there's something on it. Look how much smaller it is than this one. So I would say that my leaf is medium. So, am I going to circle the small one? No. Am I going to circle the large leaf? No. Am I going to circle the medium leaf? Yes. So I will circle the medium leaf like this. Now, if yours is medium, you will circle medium also. But if yours is large, you're going to circle large. And if yours is small, you're going to circle small. It is kind of cute, huh? Now, right here, it says in this box, draw a picture of your leaf. So, boys and girls, this is science. It's not art. Art, you can be creative and make rainbow things. But in science, we want to be accurate. We want to look at the facts and record what we really see. So let's look at my leaf. I don't know if you guys can see what I can see, but not only do I see a pretty red and yellowish color, and I see all these different points sticking out. On each of these points, it kind of looks almost like a star, huh? There's little tiny jagged marks. So I'm going to make sure I include all those details in my picture. Okay, so, sometimes drawing is not easy for all of us. I'm one of them, but I'm going to look at this and study it a little bit. And you know what I'm noticing? It kind of looks like triangles. I can draw triangles. I think I can do this. You know what? I can do this. Okay, watch me as I draw my leaf. So you're gonna need your crayons. I'm going to use, I think, these colors because my leaf is these colors. Do you notice there's no green in it? Do you have any idea why there might not be any green in it anymore? What's happening to our seasons? We're ending one and getting ready to start another season. That's right, it's almost fall. We're going to be learning more about seasons in a little while, in a few weeks, but when the seasons change, so do the leaves on the tree. So there's no more green in my leaf. So I'm going to make sure that I use the colors that are on my leaf. So let me try now. Let me see let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 little star points. So let me do that. So there's the stem. I think I'm going to go, I got to remember the little jagged parts. 1, 2. Now, I'm not the best drawer, but I'm doing my best. Oh, kind of looks like a hand, but that's okay. I'm doing my best. Okay, 3, 4, 5. All right. Oh, now I need to color it. Okay, so we're gonna color it. And I notice it. Oh, there's some yellow going down the middle. So I'm going to add some more yellowish orange to it because it's not just all one color, is it? Ooh, it's looking more and more like the leaf, huh? All right, so now I've colored it. It looks pretty close, maybe not exact, but it's pretty close. I made sure I made the jagged edges just like it. I made sure it had 5 little points on it, just like the leaf, and it has the stem. Then the worksheet asks you, color the word or words that describe your leaf. So, not all of you can read, but most of you know your letter sounds, so pay attention to the first letter. The first word says purple, starts with a P, purple. Green, starts with a G, green. Red, orange, yellow, brown. Mine doesn't really have any brown, so I'm not going to circle brown. It does have orange, so I'm going to make sure to circle the orange. It doesn't have any green, so I'm not going to have it circle any green. It's a little bit purplish, so yeah, maybe I might circle the purple. It's definitely got some red in it, and I'd say a little yellow. So I circled a lot of colors. Now yours might not have all those colors. If I had picked this leaf, I'd probably only pick brown and maybe yellow. So it just depends on what your leaf looks like. Now, this box says, does the edge of your leaf have points? What do you think? Should I circle yes or no? That's right, it does, doesn't it? So I'm going to circle yes. Yeah. What letter does that start with? That's right, Y. It says, is the edge of your leaf smooth? Oh, remember, I told you it's not. It's got little tiny jagged edges. So I'm going to circle no. And remember, we learned about the letter and. So I'm going to circle the no. Now, had I picked this leaf, guess what? It is smooth on the edges. So I would have a different answer. So your leaf might be different than mine. So don't just copy what I'm doing. Make sure you record your observations from your leaf. And then it says write about your leaf. So right here, you're going to do your best to write what you can using what you know about letters and letter sounds. So think about it. Remember, we're gonna persevere. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna keep trying. Oh, I know M, just like Mabel. We're gonna use the lines as our guide. I. Oh, we just learned about the letter I. I hear the I sound. My leaf. Oh, wait a minute. I know it starts with an L. Wait, is that word on here anywhere? There it is. Look at, I could just copy it from there. My leaf. Oh, L-E-A-F. My leaf. And you're going to keep writing. I don't want to take away any of your ideas, so I'm going to stop there. But you're going to write about your leaf right here, whatever you can. Remember, I'm always telling you, use what you know to help you figure out what you don't know. So if there's any words on here you can use, feel free to do it. Take a picture of your leaf with your worksheet and upload it to Seesaw. I cannot wait to see what beautiful leaves you find. Bye, scientists.